The Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator by MANSORY is a breathtaking fusion of Italian elegance and German engineering precision, redefining the meaning of a luxury SUV. This exclusive creation takes Ferrari's first-ever four-door, four-seater marvel and transforms it into a bolder, more powerful statement of performance and style. MANSORY, known for its fearless approach to automotive customization, has taken the already stunning Purosangue and elevated it to an entirely new level of visual drama and driving excitement. Every detail of the Pugnator speaks to a philosophy of pushing boundaries, making it one of the most exciting reinterpretations of a modern Ferrari to date. At first glance, the Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator commands attention with an exterior design that is nothing short of extraordinary. MANSORY has reimagined the elegant proportions of the Purosangue with a complete carbon fiber widebody kit that exudes aggression and dynamism. The muscular fenders, sculpted side skirts, and sharp aerodynamic elements give the SUV a stance that is both powerful and graceful. Carbon fiber dominates the design language, from the front splitter to the rear diffuser, reflecting both a commitment to lightweight performance and a desire to showcase cutting-edge materials. The distinctive hood with additional air vents not only enhances cooling but also adds a striking visual signature, making it instantly recognizable even from a distance. Large air intakes and carefully crafted aerodynamic components ensure that form and function coexist seamlessly, allowing the Pugnator to slice through the air with minimal resistance. The choice of wheels further sets the MANSORY Pugnator apart from any standard Purosangue. Massive, forged alloy wheels with intricate designs sit perfectly within the widened arches, wrapped in high-performance tires that ensure maximum grip and stability. The wheel design, available in multiple finishes, adds a sense of bespoke luxury while complementing the vehicle's aggressive stance. Behind these wheels sit uprated braking components, ensuring that the additional performance enhancements are matched by equally impressive stopping power. Every angle of the Pugnator reflects MANSORY's obsessive attention to detail, with subtle accents like custom badging, contrasting color elements, and optional personalized finishes allowing each owner to create a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Step inside the Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator, and the transformation continues with an interior that merges Ferrari's luxurious craftsmanship with MANSORY's bespoke artistry. The cabin is a celebration of fine leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, with each material meticulously selected and hand-finished to perfection. The seats are upholstered in premium hides with contrasting stitching patterns and MANSORY-exclusive embroidery, creating an atmosphere of refined sportiness. Carbon fiber accents adorn the dashboard, center console, and door panels, adding a high-tech, performance-oriented touch. Ambient lighting systems can be customized to match the driver's mood, while MANSORY offers nearly limitless personalization options, from unique color combinations to custom trim pieces, ensuring that no two Pugnator interiors are ever the same. The result is an environment that balances Ferrari's racing heritage with modern luxury, offering both excitement and comfort on every journey. Under the hood, the Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator remains a true powerhouse. The standard Purosangue is already an engineering marvel, featuring a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers exhilarating performance. MANSORY, however, takes things a step further by introducing performance upgrades that enhance both power and responsiveness. With careful tuning of the engine management system and exhaust components, the Pugnator's V12 produces an even higher output, delivering more horsepower and torque than the factory model. This results in quicker acceleration, sharper throttle response, and a top speed that pushes the boundaries of what a luxury SUV can achieve. The upgraded exhaust system not only improves airflow but also gives the Pugnator a more aggressive soundtrack, with a deep, resonant roar that perfectly matches its muscular aesthetics. The combination of raw power and refined tuning makes the driving experience nothing short of electrifying. Performance enhancements are not limited to the engine. MANSORY has also refined the suspension system to improve handling and stability, ensuring that the Pugnator remains composed even during spirited driving. The adaptive suspension setup allows drivers to switch between comfort and performance modes, making the SUV equally capable of delivering a smooth, luxurious ride or a track-inspired driving experience. Advanced aerodynamics, including the large rear spoiler and aggressive diffuser, generate additional downforce, keeping the Pugnator planted at high speeds. These engineering upgrades transform the Ferrari Purosangue from a high-performance SUV into a true super sub capable of rivaling even the most exclusive sports cars on both road and track. Beyond its sheer performance, what truly sets the Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator apart is the philosophy behind its creation. MANSORY has never been a brand for the faint of heart. Its designs are bold, unapologetic, and aimed at those who refuse to blend in. The Pugnator embodies this spirit perfectly, offering a level of exclusivity that goes far beyond the standard Ferrari experience. Each vehicle is built to the exact specifications of its owner, with endless customization options that allow for a unique identity. From paint finishes in rare metallic hues to interior trims crafted from exotic materials, MANSORY ensures that every Pugnator is a reflection of the owner's personal taste and style. This level of individuality transforms the SUV from a mere mode of transportation into a true automotive work of art. The Ferrari Purosangue itself represents a significant milestone in Ferrari's history as the brand's first production SUV, and the Pugnator builds on that legacy by showing what happens when extreme customization meets uncompromising performance. While some purists might question the idea of a Ferrari SUV, the Pugnator silences all doubts by delivering the heart-pounding performance and emotional excitement that define the Ferrari name. MANSORY's enhancements only amplify these qualities, creating an SUV that is not only practical for daily use but also thrilling enough to satisfy the most demanding driving enthusiasts. In the world of high-performance luxury vehicles, competition is fierce, with brands like Lamborghini, Aston Martin, and Bentley all offering their own interpretations of the ultimate SUV. Yet, the Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator stands out as a unique proposition. It combines Ferrari's legendary engineering with MANSORY's daring design language, resulting in a vehicle that is as visually striking as it is mechanically advanced. The Pugnator is not content to simply compete, it dominates, setting a new benchmark for what a customized super SUV can achieve. Owning a Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator is more than a statement of wealth, it is an expression of individuality, performance, and passion. It appeals to those who crave exclusivity, who demand the very best in design and engineering, and who see their vehicle as an extension of their personality. Whether parked in a luxury garage or roaring down an open highway, the Pugnator attracts attention and admiration. Wherever it goes, it is a vehicle that dares to be different, rewarding those bold enough to embrace its uncompromising character. The Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator by MANSORY is a testament to the power of collaboration between two of the most respected names in the automotive world. Ferrari provides the foundation, a world-class SUV with unmatched performance, while MANSORY brings its signature flair for extreme design and bespoke customization. Together, they have created a masterpiece that redefines what a high-performance SUV can be. The Pugnator is not just a car, it is a celebration of artistry, engineering, and the relentless pursuit of perfection, setting a new standard for those who demand the extraordinary.